should stay real close to Jesus. Baby, soon I realize, find your way back to my bed again. See me like a what? We should go back to our classes. Take this money for the candy. But like a little piece of mama can't live the Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Courtney back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Tulsa, Jesus Freak. You'll notice I didn't really sing everything on that song as much as it's right in my face. I just don't agree with whatever she's saying, being Christian, so I can't, But I'm gonna teach you how to play the song for those of you that want to play it, okay? Because I really don't know what it means, so I'm not gonna, jump into that or sing it because I don't know what it means. Okay, so keep on fret number 3, and we're playing the following chords. So that's a G. We have 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then we go to B minor 7, which is X, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. All right. D, and then we have an A major, alright? Sorry, let me just fix my capo. And then there's a part where it goes G to E minor, and then D, the B minor 7. And then we have the D and then the A. Okay, so this is the chords for your verse and your chorus. Okay? Then so that while half forever part is the G to E minor, B minor 7 to G, okay? So we're playing G, and then E minor, and then we go to B minor 7, and then we slide down to A, and A is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. And that's basically the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.